All right, guys, we are now in this beautiful Rolls-Royce Cullinan, black badge, of course. Black badge, as you guys know, is the crazier version of the regular Cullinan, and it has this carbon fiber, special to Rolls-Royce carbon fiber interior trim. It has several other little options. The outside emblems are inverted color, so instead of chrome black, they're black chrome. And it has a few little black chrome pieces all around the outside. As you can see, the interior is beautiful. It's a mix of cobalt blue and black, and since it is the black badge, the carbon fiber pops so nicely. And the exterior is that metallic black. But the special part about this now is the Novitec kit. This is the Novitec new version kit. You guys have seen us do several of the older version. The older version does not have a rear bumper. It has no lights in the front. It's a little bit more subtle, I would say, and the front bumper design is completely different. So this new one has LEDs in the front that match the daytime running lights of the factory vehicle, and it's a little bit of a more aggressive appearance. And now it finally has a full rear bumper replacement, so the back actually looks really nice. It comes with exhaust tips, all that stuff. The previous model didn't have exhaust tips, no bumper, just a small little diffuser that didn't do much. So pretty cool. We were told by Novitec we're the first ones in the USA to do this. I think they've only done like 2 themselves over there. We put RDB signature 24-inch wheels on it, wide body fitment. It's very, very wide and fits really, really nice. We lowered the car a little bit as well. You can't go too low because it'll be bumpy. It won't feel nice. So we went ahead and lowered it a little bit, and the drivability is great. I'm driving it right now, cruising on Sunset Boulevard, and it drives super smooth like factory. So overall, this project came out really, really nice. We wrapped pretty much the under of the windows in satin black, and we left the top half. We actually clear brought the top half. So it's a two-tone outside finish now with satin black and gloss metallic black paint. So it looks really, really nice. This would look really nice if we painted the kit as well, but for now the customer wanted to do this two-tone look. It looks incredible. So hope you guys like it, and on to the next one.
Older G-Wagon here. You guys are familiar with this car. We've done a lot of work to it, mechanical. This time it's in here for different stuff. Hood doesn't close. We're gonna see what's going on with the hood. It stays like this when he's driving, which is terrible. We're gonna have to fix that. Also, we have a wheel balancing problem in the front. Car shakes after 65 miles per hour. We're gonna also check that. And we have one more issue happening with this car. This is a car that the customer really likes and he wants to keep it. So, you know, as you guys can see, steering wheel goes forward, steering wheel goes back, does not go down, or it does go down. We fixed it already. So that's amazing. It's done. All right, so we just have 2 things to do and we're good to go. I think Sarkis downgraded. So I don't know what happened with this red G-Wagon. This is Sarkis' new car. So if you guys see him on the streets, this is what he's driving right now.
This is the car that you're gonna get. Why?
Over the G-Wagon?
That car will f*** your car up.
It'll look better lowered, for sure.
It is lowered, no?
No, that's stock.
Yeah, but if you lower it, it's gonna look bad. Only this part sucks.
The
This
diffuser?
part, yeah. It should be like a one diffuser. Shut up, man. They do.
Every German car sucks.
Which one is better? For German cars are the #1 cars.
No, they're not.
Why?
After 100,000 miles, it's trash.
Okay. Tell me one car goes after 100,000 miles.
Japanese,
Toyotas?
Which ones?
Toyota and Honda.
Back in the 90s?
200, 300,000.
Okay.
Easy.
Go buy a 2024 Toyota Camry. Drive 100 miles. See what happens.
Have you ever heard of Toyota Tacomas? They go way over 300,000.
But
Not
they're fast.
anymore.
They're not fast.
Who?
The Tacomas.
Tacoma's a junk, bro.
You know the Cressida that's coming, the one that we're gonna paint? It's got like 200,000 miles.
These 2 guys are so stupid. They're going cars built in 1900.
And you like the newer.
Yeah, if you go buy 2024, any car, Toyota, Honda, it's not the same anymore.
No.
It's not.
If it's not BMW,
No, it's not about. No, it's not about the. No, this 2024 cars, 2023s, the way they manufacture build, so they can sell parts on it. Javi,
why are you mad?
he gets pissed. Whenever you touch his tools, he gets pissed.
Look at him. He's looking at you.
Yeah, I know. Look, look, look.
Why are you doing that?
He gets pissed. Look at him. Let me fix it. He's mad.
I don't know, man. I don't know what's going on.
We are standing next to the SF90 Spider Project. This is the first in the world 1016 Industries full kit. As you can see, this is the fender. This is the first prototype version pretty much. So we are doing all the fitment checks, making sure it fits right. Did some modifications so this line is evenly matching really nicely. And as you can see, carbon fiber here with the vents looks really, really nice. The car had no option for the Ferrari shield. It was completely just regular black. So now he's gonna be able to have the Ferrari shield on there. So pretty cool to see. It's gonna get front lip, rear trunk spoiler, side skirts, badass custom wheels. We already have the Novitec suspension on there. We have a Novitec exhaust system on there. So a tremendous amount of work. This came to us regular, stock, boring, honestly, and now it's gonna look insane. So stay tuned for this one too.
Here we have the legendary car from Jurassic Park. It's not from Jurassic Park, but it looks similar. This one, new client. As you guys can see, he goes off-roading a lot. That's what it's for. And right now we're gonna put some steps for. We're gonna put some side steps for him on the passenger side. Steps will be just a one-time thing, so they're not gonna move. It's just gonna be to obviously get up on here and get some stuff, whatever he needs when he goes off-roading and stuff. So that's what we're doing right now. And for now, that's about it on this one. You guys see something wrong here? All right, so to wrap this car, if we were to rewrap this car, it's gonna take us maybe 2 weeks to take the wrap off, because this wrap is literally inside the body of the car. That's how old it is. That's how worn it is. And yeah, so hopefully this guy doesn't want to wrap his car anytime soon. But if he does, we can wrap it a pretty cool color. But yeah, it'll take a lot of time to do this. But I like it. It's cool. I would drive it.
You drive it?
Yeah.
Get in, see how you look like. Better than a BMW? For sure.
Oh, 100% better than BMW. Oh yeah. You can take this car to off-roading. You can't take a BMW off-roading.
You can't figure out the life.
Anyone want to take a car to off-road? There should be like a.
Oh, it's here.
Level less of dumbness.
This guy has a lot of lights. Let's see. Which one is that?
None of them.
You want to turn on the light?
Oh.
Those are these. Ah,
Oh my god. That is bright.
Oh, the Gunther turbo crashed. Look at how it collapsed.
wow.
This is what you don't want to happen, but this is what can happen. And they're lucky the driver somehow survived that. Carbon fiber strong, but I don't think for accidents, it's the way to go.
Aluminum is the best.
How could you see aluminum right, but he can't say churn?
The video, thumbs up. See you next time. Órale.